Now we will understand about associativity and precedence. First of all, we will take associativity. In Python, exponents have right to left associativity. Let's see what it means. I have taken an example. So by right to left associativity means that this expression will be solved from left to right. First, 2 raised to power 3 will execute and will give 8. And after that, the expression will become 2 raised to the power 8 and will return 256. I have run this expression in interactive mode, and this is the screenshot which suggests that our solution is correct. Now I will show you what will happen if I run this expression from left to right. If we solve it from left to right, then it will be 2 raised to the power 2 first, which will result in 4. And after that, it will become 4 raised to power 3, which will result in 64. Which is incorrect, which we already know from the screenshot, which shows the value 256. So this approach of solving exponent is incorrect. So by right associativity of exponent, we mean that if in an expression exponent comes more than once, then the rightmost value will be solved first, and then we go on solving them one by one from right to left. Now I will discuss associativity of other arithmetic operators. Multiplication, division, floor division and modulus have same priority, means if more than one of these appear in an expression, then they will be given same priority, but as they are left to right associative, so they should be solved from left to right. Let's see an example. In this example, we will solve them from left to right. So first, 14 divided by 2 will result in 7.0. After that, it will become 7.0% 2, which will give remainder 1.0. See, we get same result when we use interactive mode to find the value of the expression in the screenshot. But what will happen if you solve this from right to left? That means we try to solve 2 modulus 2 first. For doing so, I put 2% 2 in parenthesis to solve it first. We know that remainder will be 0 if we divide 2 by 2, so 0 will be returned by 2% 2. And then it will become 14 divided by 0, which will give you error division by 0. So this method is not correct. This means that arithmetic operators multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, addition and subtraction will be solved from left to right. Now we will discuss about precedence, and precedence means priority which Python gives to various operators if they appear in a single line of code. Let's solve this expression to understand the concept of precedence. In this example, we have exponent, multiplication and addition. If we see our operator table, then exponent have higher priority, so we will solve it first and we will get 4. And now our expression will become 2 plus 4 into 3. But if we see our operator table, then we will observe that multiplication, division, floor division and modulus have same priority. But addition and subtraction have low priority. This means we will solve multiplication first and then addition. So let's solve it. So the result will be 14, and this screenshot verifies the result. You must have observed that parentheses have the highest precedence. It means that only parentheses have power to alter the precedence of any operator, and if we put parentheses around any expression, then it will be evaluated first without considering its precedence. I have took the same example, but here I have put parentheses around the 2 plus 2. Keep in mind that when we solved this expression earlier, plus sign was evaluated last, but here it will be evaluated first. So let's see how it will be evaluated. First, 2 plus 2 will be evaluated and will result in 4. Then 4 raised to the power 2 will be evaluated and will result in 16. And then 16 multiplied by 3 will be evaluated and will give 48 as a result. And this is the screenshot. So, parentheses can be used to alter the precedence of the operators. Associativity means how operators of the same precedence are grouped together in the absence of parentheses. And precedence means which operator to evaluate first in a given expression or statement. Thanks for now. See you in the next video.